sure is pouring outside. It makes me kind of sleepy, actually. Yeah, I know. I know. Why don't we play a game? Hmm? Oh. Uh, what game? Uh, I don't know. What game do you want to play? Oh, would you rather? Oh, okay. We can play that game, babe. You go first. Would I rather live forever or wake up every day with a different superpower? Uh, that's a hard question. Well, maybe if I'm with you forever, but maybe. Oh, this is a hard question. It's too hard. Let me ask you one now. No, I have to answer. Well, I guess if it's just me living forever, then I guess I'd pick the other option. Okay, let me ask you one now. Would you rather, uh, uh, I know, would you rather not be able to see or not be able to hear for your whole life? Yeah, I know it's a hard question. That's the point. Because, you asked me one, so. What's your answer? Oh, really? Yeah, I guess so. But either way, it would still kind of suck. Huh? Where are you going? You going to get something for us to drink? Okay. Mhm. Your bag? What is this? It looks kind of fancy. Ooh. It has an interesting taste. What is it? Oh, it's alcohol? Oh. No, I don't think I've ever tried this before. I mean, I have tried alcohol before, but because of, my uncle. Anyway, oh, do you want to play a different game now? Yeah? Okay. You want to play Truth or Dare? Hmm. Hmm. I don't know if I want to play that game. I'm just joking. Let's play it. Okay, alright. Since you went first other time, I guess I'll ask you a question now. Oh, truth or dare? Truth or dare? Dare. Oh, I dare you. I I dare you uh to I can't come up with anything. It's so hard coming up with stuff on top of your head. Okay, uh I dare you to I dare you to uh I dare you to kiss me. What? I couldn't come with anything else. Uh, 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 uh. Anyways, you truth or dare me now. Um, I pick truth. What kind of question is that, babe? What do you mean? Of course, my favorite animal is a frog. Are you stupid? I'm just joking. You're not stupid. You're amazing. Please don't. I'm just joking. You're amazing, babe. I was just joking. No, 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 no. You're amazing. I was just joking. I'm just joking. Okay, just get upset. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Okay, that didn't go very well, but yeah, of course, my favorite animal is a frog. I thought you knew that already. Ugh. Okay. Um. Wait, who was next again? I'm sorry. I don't know. Um. Okay. You asked me a question, right? Yeah, yeah. So it's my turn to ask you now. Truth or dare, babe? Which one is it? Come on. Truth? Okay, okay, truth. Uh, what was that? Oh, nothing. Must just been. Oh, truth, right? Is it true that? Is it true that you have a kink that you haven't told me about? What did you say? Oh, okay, babe. Okay, okay. Uh, I'm kind of bored of this game now, babe. We do something else. I'm kind of hungry. Why don't I go cook us some food? I feel kind of sick now. I think I drank too much. Oh, okay. I'll go cook you something. What do you want? I know you want some. You know what you want. Just joking. I'm just joking. I shouldn't cook anything. Why? Why shouldn't I? I think I'm a great cook. I can cook just about anything that I want to, pretty much. Why shouldn't I? Cause I'll burn that. I will not burn our house down. I'm not that clumsy, babe. I might be a little bit clumsy, but I'm not that clumsy that I burn the whole entire house down. That's ridiculous. I would not burn the whole house down, babe. uh, no, I don't want you to make it. I want to make something for you, because I love you so much. I want to make some food for you. Because you deserve everything in the whole world. That's why. Uh, fine. I'll go see what we have in the fridge. We don't barely have anything. We need to go to the store. We only have some leftover rice and some whatever that stuff is. I don't know what that is. It's been sitting in the fridge for months. I need to throw it out. Okay. Okay, babe. Okay. Fine. Fine. Yeah, it is raining pretty hard. It's nice because I get to spend all day inside with you, and I wouldn't want it any other way. Because I love you so much. But I think you know that already, don't you? Yeah. Are you hungry too, babe? Or is it just me? No, you are too. Okay. Maybe we should just order some takeout or something. Yeah. Okay. What do you want? You want some pizza, or do you want something else? Like, I don't know. They have everything nowadays. They have pretty much anything that you could want. Oh, okay, I'll order that. Okay. Yeah, it should be here soon. And we can eat it together and play small games. Does that sound good? It sounds good to me. What about you? Yeah, it does. That's great. Okay. What game do you want to play next, babe?